Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I started to put some Meeden black paint on. This is, please come out, some PPG. Okay, that was wrong. Some PPG Speed hide, which I'm not going to worry about. I have a dish, and I'm going to use my dish to put some more PPG Speed hide. This time it has GAC 800 in it. I may wind up with too much paint. There's always that possibility. I'd like that to not be in the way. I think that's enough paint. I have some leftovers from yesterday, but first I'm going to add a little bit of black onyx from Walmart. Into the dish. I'd like that to go out of the way too. I'm almost out of that as well. And I have some Sherwin Williams Forward Fuchsia. And I think I'm going to take a chance and add some Primary Elements Interference Gold to the surface of that. Take the little tab out of the top. And then, surprise, surprise, grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, I think, to attempt to get the rest of that paint out of there. Use some cell activator in a moment. Put those two things into the bucket. Grab my recently favorite spatula, palette knife. Put some white on. Now I'm trying to remember if I put the gold that was a cell activator or the gold that was the Mayan gold, and I think it was the Mayan gold, so that's what I'm going to use. By the way, look for the 20% off coupon code underneath the video. I did this with the gold yesterday to a different painting that there is no video for. That's going in the bucket. And I'm going to grab a smaller palette knife and some black cell activator, I think. Or what? I've got other cell activators and they're taunting me right now. I am looking for my big palette knife, and I am going to use the black, which is not coming out very quickly at all. I think I'm also going to use some of the gold, which is Pebeo iridescent gold and rich gold and pale gold from Atelier, and that's some of the phthalo turquoise. I like this over here, but I'm not thrilled with this yet. I've got some Pebeo iridescent blue violet. Is there any one of these open? Let's use some more of this Forward Fuchsia. Right there. Whoop, that was it. I saw that. don't belong. I'm tempted to put some silver in. Right now I'm going to stick with the black on top of the Pebeo iridescent blue violet. And then maybe I'll hit it with the turquoise again. I think the turquoise is a definite. And maybe some more of the gold. And I'm going to grab my small palette knife right after I shed the paint off the larger one. Let's see if I can do a few scoop and drags. And decide what other colors I might want to put in here. I didn't get what I was expecting over here. I think I'm going to give myself permission for a little more white. And go back to get that Mayan gold again and see if it works as well as it did the last time. Let that set up a little bit. Maybe do it on the other side. Let's try it with the Forward Fuchsia since I have more of that than anything else right now. And I'm going to actually wipe that off. Go back to the white. Because there's no rules right now. I'm just sort of making up new methods as I go. Who knows what's going to happen when I spin this. Clean that off again. Do I want some more black anywhere? Kind of want to put some more of the pillow paint right over here. Because I can. The name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link on the link tree underneath. Show more. Alright, let's do what we've been doing because I like it. Let's do the white. I'm going to use the bigger spatula, the bigger palette knife. I might, oh, I was going to put some phthalo turquoise in, but I think I'm not going to. I do like that purple. That occurred as a result of something strange. I do like the smaller palette knife. Hopefully I didn't put it anywhere. There we go. It's right in front of me. So this is looking pretty cool. And it hasn't been spun though. That's the thing. I like that Forward Fuchsia. I could definitely use a little more of it and not feel too bad about it. Or there's no reason to feel bad about it at all. Some kind of fantastic beast is this, I believe. Unknown species. Let's grab a little bit more Forward Fuchsia from Sherwin Williams. Because I can. Because it's going to spin someplace for certain. Maybe one more bit right there. I'm really tempted to add another color. Like, that might be really nice. Let's try a little bit and not get too crazy about it. Wipe off my palette knives. Let's use some white. I do love loading the palette knife with the cell activator and then using that. In this case, it's a Prism Pour Blue Velvet. Which did sell and doesn't look too bad. Not sure what to do with that. I guess I'm going to wipe it off. And do it again. Whoop! That was not part of the plan. That was the wrong bottle. It is what it is. And it is where it is too. And now it's become integrated. It is time. If the spinning is going to happen at all, it's going to happen now. I love the cells. I got a lot of them. I don't know what's going to happen now. I'm really nervous. I need elbow room. And get my palette knife out of the way. Palette knives out of the way. Cross your fingers, would you please? Do I need to do any more wrecking? Maybe I do. Maybe I need to grab a skewer. Take that filament out of there. I have a feeling everything's going to change almightily when I do this. Especially those heavy puddles. Gotta be careful. That's my freestanding sidewall. Keeps me from getting spattered. And by removing it, it helps me actually do something. Lean into the work. Don't, too much fussing. Okay, so here goes nothing. Let's make sure it spins right first. And let's reposition it so I've got something I can grab a hold of. That does not want to be hitting that. It's looking kind of cool though. Let's go in the other direction. Do I want to do a little bit of tipping? I maybe do. I shouldn't have gone twice in the same direction. I should have spun the opposite direction next. So I haven't quite figured out how to make that happen, but I do see something I want to do, and that is to grab some paint from over here . put it down over there. Because it will probably spin off in a second. Let's try it. I'm trying to train myself to actually put my spatula handle down in there. I've used up all my time. Let's do the spatula handle thing. I don't know, this might be the largest one I've done. I don't have nearly enough of that blue. I kind of want to grab I don't mind there being tendrils. At all. That's pretty neat, actually. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Where's my straw? So I have over 2,700 videos. And you can find them by going to my channel and playlists, all playlists, created playlists. I have no idea why I feel this is necessary, but I like doing it. And I'm hoping I spun out enough. I want to test the center. It looks like it might be good. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Share my videos if you're of a mind too. Really appreciate the help spreading the good word. This is really cool. Should I spin it one more time? Some part of me wants to grab the blue velvet and put more of it in there, but I think it's pretty awesome. The cells are tremendous. And I could probably do more scoop and drag. But I'm not sure that the paint's heavy enough anymore, so I'm not going to risk it. Could also put a few dots in there. I could do that. Or at least a tendril or two. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. That's the Mayan gold again. Yeah, I like that. I might want to do it one more time. I'm trying to think what I should tell you guys. I have a link tree underneath the video with my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a Facebook group for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to pixels.com for North America. It might also show you some stuff from Society 6. I gotta stop now. I think I love the gold. I think I want a little bit more of it here, right here though. I didn't do dots. Never mind. I'm going to skip the dots. What did I not tell you guys? You can find tomorrow's video on my community board. Thank you very much for the donations through PayPal. On the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner you'll find the icon. They keep me painting and bringing you tutorials. If you'd like to join for $9.99 a month, there's an entire members library of videos that nobody else has access to except for members. I'm going to look for bubbles. I am loving those big cells. This is just tremendous. Alright, so I'm not sure if I can shimmer this at you or what's going to happen if I try, because I have a lot of lights on right now. But I'll give it a shot. Oh, that interference gold is